I've not seen my mother ever since I got back. She's been in the village, so she just go back now.
Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of the Liberty News, and entertainment. So, as you can see in this video, Destiny Etiko just arrived in her new house and she just welcomed her mother back from the village. And as you can see, the joy of motherhood, oh my goodness. As the mother sings for her, she dances towards it. This is beautiful. Yes. Seeing your mother happy makes you also happy. This is very beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy to see Destiny happy with her mother like this. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Having a nice family is indeed good. And as you can see, she just came back from work. And today happens to be her first time of visiting her new home. Yes, as you can see, Destiny has not only one house. This is the house she recently bought, and this happens to be her first time coming to the house to inspect and see how far the house is looking, because she has been on set for filming. Yes, so she just came and she's inspecting the house all over, and she's so happy. Yes, it's good to be happy this way. God bless you, Destiny Etiko, and God bless all my subscribers so that we also get the money to do this. So in future, our parents too will be happy and proud of us. This is so beautiful. Congratulations, my dear sister, Destiny Etiko. Indeed, hard work pays, yes. So work hard and definitely we are going to make it. Yes, it's not just one day she used to make this. She has really worked hard and she deserves it. Congratulations once again, my dear Destiny Etiko, the drama doll of Nollywood movies. Guys, please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be alert to. You get notification so you can watch. And kindly share to your friends. Yes. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, guys.